Hi guys, how's it going? Here's another episode of my alarm test videos. And we had almost all the cars, but the Tesla we did not have. Now Teslas are a lot more advanced when it comes to the technology, but is it harder to steal them? We'll find out. We'll see what we can do. So what I did right now is I locked the car. I walked away with my phone, put my phone inside the house, so the car alarms itself, turns the alarm on itself and locks the doors. And the first thing you notice is, look at that, the window that I left open shut itself, it closed itself. So that is a great feature to prevent theft. You cannot leave your window open on accident. So great thinking there from Tesla. Now, for my test here, I need to have the window open so I can reach in the car. Because I think if I just do this, grab the handle, nothing will happen, see? Screen doesn't even tell me anything. And that reminds me that Sentry is off. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll go back in, get my phone, and on my phone I'll turn the alarm system Sentry on, and I'll try to find a way to deactivate the feature that the windows roll up when I leave the vehicle. So hold on, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got one window open, locked the car, the alarm system is activated, and I'll show you that here on my app. See it, live cameras are on. It does say that there's a window open. When we go look at the live cameras, we'll see that the system is activated and actually the car is recording. See, it is recording, and on all the sides, and here at the rear too, as well as the cab inside. All right, I'll turn that back on a normal mode. So there's the car, and what I'm gonna do is, just so it won't recognize my phone, I'll take the phone and I'll put it away as far as I can. And then I'll come back and we'll try to manipulate the car and see what it does to warn us and see if the alarm will go off. So let me put away the phone. I'll walk it up here, put it away far enough, here in the corner here, and we'll do that live. So if it does open now, then we'll know the phone was not far away enough, but I think it was. So the car should warn us by flashing the lights or turning something on and off when we approach. It doesn't, I don't know how it works. So let's see. It does nothing right now. Maybe I am. Maybe it does notice the phone. Do I have anything with me? No. It does nothing at all. I'll go this way. Let's see what it says. It says nothing. And it does not unlock either though. So what's going on here? This door. I touch it. No, let's not scratch it here with my own ring. It does nothing. I think the phone is not far away enough. So I have the phone up there by the door. I'll go take the phone and I'll bring it inside the house and we'll do the whole test again. So hold on 1 second. Here we are. So the phone is now far away in the house. It said Sentry Mode is activated. And I don't know, let's go just check. Maybe it knows the location that this is home and it won't do it. Maybe that's why. Just walk around it, see what it does now. In the door. Yeah, it does not do anything. It must know the location. Nope, it's not unlocking though, so definitely does not have the phone with it. Oh, there we go. Wants a key card to unlock. Okay. It has a fan or something on now too. Weird. I'm not sure what's going on, guys. Let's grab in it. Oh, Sentry is activated now by grabbing in it. See? It doesn't blow a horn or anything. It says recording. So it's definitely now recording. maybe it took a while to activate itself. Okay, I'll go away from it. Let's go here for a second. Go look at the Mercedes for a second, and then we'll go back in. Yeah, that's the Mercedes. Everything's good with it. Not really. I still have to fix that blower motor there. Resistor on top of the blower motor, and the cover for the sunroof there inside. The cover needs to be fixed, and the antenna here at the rear. But that's an easy fix. The antenna's done really fast. Honestly, all of the three are not bad. All right, let's go back to the car again here. Oh, look at that! It now detects us. I go close with my leg, I touch it. It turned the lights on for a second. Go on this side, snoop around. And it still says recording. I'm trying to open the door. Does nothing. I hit it. Nope, nothing. Try this door. Trunk. No, nothing at all. And this one. I can grab inside, can touch stuff. I could steal something now. Let's see, glove box you can't open. You can touch the lid there, close that. Touch the screen. Doesn't do anything. Very weird. No? Okay. Let's pull inside here and open the door. Where is it? You gotta find it. There we go. Wow, that was interesting. Did you hear the music inside? It was loud, classical music, and I can't remember what that was. But I heard that before. That's what it's playing when you break into a Tesla. And that is really interesting. Let's see what it does if I try again. Oops, try it up again. Okay, music is off. System. Let's get the phone and turn that off. Okay, that was quite annoying, and look what the phone tells me. It says Sentry alarm has triggered the alarm state. It says that 2 times, then it says car alarm triggered, and that is very, very annoying. But I guess that's a good way to keep people out of your car. So I have my phone with me, and it unlocks the door now. Climb in, and everything looks good in here right now. So we'll go in my settings here, and yeah, everything's good. Okay, and it says 6 events occurred, and I tap to view so I can look at the video of what just happened. All right, guys, this was the Tesla alarm, and it was quite interesting how that works. I had no idea it works that way. Now I know, and now you know. If you bring into a Tesla, at first it's quite conservative, then it blasts the horn, and then it plays that really loud obnoxious music, and it gets louder and wilder too the longer you try and go. And then it turns it off, and then it turns it back on and off, and it's a crazy system. But I guess it's a good system to prevent theft in your Tesla, right? I turned it on. I just put it in park, see if everything works, and everything should work. Let's see. Yep, there we go, it's rolling. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video here. If you did, you know the drill. Give me a like and leave me a comment, okay? And subscribe too. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you watch my next video. We'll do more of those short videos. It's quite fun to try things out. All right, have a good day, everyone. See you soon.